Akasia na oguso so wa Adom TV mra shebedwa fie dom kuma na wo ho no di ya pa wo mu e wo Minerals Commission panifo se wo muguso e ma license de ma enipakuo bi a wutimi hunu se ade a wo mo ye no enye ne kwan so a ne titiu ne China for no ne ade a wo mo sese yensuo no minority for akaseti a wo sa kwan no so Adom TV edebe
Ensemtrofo nhyiamu a wonom koye no wa ena Dr. Rashid Pelpo ya wo yemra shebedwani a wono kroye sanso ranking member ewo Lands and Forestry Committee so ewo mrashebedwamu eda na die se wonom ewo adanse a eda die pefe se aban mpanyinfo bi eka ho bi ena wo sei ensase a ewo oman mu na de a ekoso no eyade a eha adwene pa ho behia se ni manimu ya no mpanyinfo ebepe ho asem aka.
Ghanaians have cried out against the purposeful destruction of our lands and rivers through illegal mining. As the cry is louder, so do the Galamsey operators and the willing agents in high places in government continue to perpetuate the practice. In this exercise, farmlands and rivers are destroyed, national resources in the form of gold is stolen, and communities and their future are destroyed.
Wachiremu se esan ya ekoso onti no wono matro nkrata bebre ya kompanyifo anim se de be ya nyo ya ekoso no obetumi ahwe ho asem waka.
A public inquiry on the interministerial conference in illegal mining report by Professor Frimpong Boateng must be put in place. We need to have a public inquiry into it. Number two, we want a revocation of the executive instruments EI 144, Cessation of Forest Reserve Instrument 2022, which will remove 361.50 acres of forest from Achimota Forest Reserves, which is the lungs of Accra.